An underwater welder is a skilled professional who performs welding and repair work on submerged structures, such as ships, oil rigs, bridges, and pipelines. This job combines commercial diving with specialized welding techniques to maintain and repair infrastructure below the water's surface. What does an underwater welder do? Underwater welders handle various tasks, including structural repairs, fixing underwater pipelines, ships, and offshore oil platforms, construction and installation, building or assembling underwater structures like bridges or dams, cutting and salvage work, removing damaged structures and retrieving sunken equipment, inspection and maintenance, checking for corrosion, cracks, and other issues in submerged metal structures. Types of underwater welding. Wet welding, performed directly underwater using special electrodes that work in wet environments. Pros, faster and requires less equipment. Cons, lower quality welds due to exposure to water. Dry welding, hyperbaric welding, done inside a sealed chamber filled with gas, keeping the weld dry. Pros, stronger, higher quality welds. Cons, requires specialized equipment and is more expensive. Where do underwater welders work? Offshore oil and gas industry. Welding pipelines and oil rigs deep underwater. Ship repair and maritime industry. Fixing damaged hulls and propellers on ships. Bridges and dams. Maintaining and reinforcing underwater support structures. Power plants and water treatment facilities. Repairing underwater turbines and water intake systems. Skills and training required. Commercial diving certification. Required to safely work underwater. Welding certification. Must be trained in specialized underwater welding techniques. Physical fitness and stamina. Requires strength and endurance for long dives. Underwater navigation skills. Ability to work in low visibility conditions with limited mobility. Risks and challenges of underwater welding. High-risk job. Exposure to high water pressure, drowning hazards, and decompression sickness. Harsh work conditions. Cold temperatures, strong currents, and limited visibility. Explosive hazards. The combination of electricity and water can create dangerous conditions. Benefits of underwater welding. High salary potential. Experienced welders can earn six-figure salaries due to job difficulty. Exciting and unique career. Offers adventure and opportunities to work in different environments. Job demand. Industries like oil, shipping, and infrastructure require constant underwater repairs. Quick recap. What is it? Underwater welding combines commercial diving with welding to repair submerged structures. Where do they work? Oil rigs, ships, bridges, power plants, and maritime industries. Why is it important? Maintains critical infrastructure and ensures safe, functioning underwater structures. Underwater welding is a challenging yet rewarding career that requires specialized skills, physical endurance, and a willingness to work in extreme conditions.